about to try it today, and I actually got it in right there myself. Y'all can't see. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy SRT Bird. G-Bird's back. Another video, man. Today, we're gonna be installing the ambient lights in the whip, man. We got my boy 1K in it, bit. So good, man.
What's going on, boys? Your boy just 1K gang.
Oh, God. Oh, yeah, we getting this in right now. Y'all boys. Getting that bit in. Nice and smooth. Tight. And we got the little tool, y'all boys, so we don't know.
Wait, hold on. I ain't gonna lie though. We might have to pull this out some more.
What you mean? Cause we gonna have to, hold on. What else is there? Hold on, y'all boys. Oh yeah, we back, man. We had to actually go in there and get, you know what I'm saying, the actual kit, so we can get this right, man. But we finna go in there. Get this junk right. I ain't gonna lie, we just spent $130 on lights. Shit is crazy. $130. But listen, it ain't gonna matter. It ain't gonna matter because when we get up for real, that shit ain't gonna mean nothing. $130 ain't gonna be nothing when you get up. But ain't nothing but Playboy money. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's the whole nine, man. Something about that kit.
Damn, look at that bit. See how long this shit is?
Oh, my shit. Okay. I fuck with it. Pull it out. Come on. Alright, y'all boys. Got the lights. But I ain't gonna lie though. I'm gonna do this shit at the O2 too. So like, what I'm gonna do is, right? Let me tell you what I'm gonna do. Really? Low key? Gotta get out the car. Cause if we gonna put it in the door, we gotta put it in the door.
You been over here too?
Huh?
You been over here too?
Yeah. Come on. Let me see. I'll plug in the yay. See me? In the window. I mean, not in the window, in the door, son. I'm trying. I'm gonna plug this. Cheer. I don't really be rocking with this one anyway. Yeah. You got your hook. Wait. Oh, okay. I'm about to say. You got your hook. See me? Then gonna start with the trim. Bro. Gonna start with the trim. So what y'all? Let me get this jump popping though. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, and watch the video all the way through. I gotta stop putting my hand over the camera like that. I know y'all boys like it.
Why are you doing that? Relax.
Come on, though. What are you doing? Peel off.
I think that's how you do it, man.
Bruh. Pull up a video about that. Pull up a video. Pull up a YouTube. Yeah, no. Get this shit right. Pull up a YouTube video. Gotta get this right. Catch y'all boys in a minute. We'll get some further information on this. What's going on, y'all? So this indeed is a little update on the lights, and we did get the dash runners installed, but we still do gotta install the ones that go in the middle right here, because yeah, it wasn't looking too good. But yeah, I'm gonna probably get a thumbnail and stuff right about now, and then yeah, y'all see the underglow, y'all see the lights up here. So yeah, man, I'm gonna get the middle lights in too. This is what we looking like right now. Feel me? Nothing too crazy. Looking good though. Looking good so far. Build coming along real good, man. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy SRT G-Bird's, man. And man, this is a little update, man. This is indeed the next day, and I do have the middle lights in now, as I can see right there. And I got my underglows in right there by the feet rest. And then I got my ambient lighting up here on the dash. And I am getting it for the doors as well soon. So y'all stay tuned for that, man. You know what I'm saying? Whole lot more bangers on the way. Indeed, man. And yeah, I just wanted to update y'all and close out this video because I didn't indeed get it all put in yesterday. So I had another try at it today, and I actually got it in right there myself. Y'all can't see. So yeah, man, that's gonna conclude this video, man. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. It's your boy SRTG Brazy, man. We gonna keep dropping them bangers out 2024, man. A whole lot more modifications on the way to the car. And yeah, man, y'all boys just gotta stay tuned, stay tapped in. But without further ado, it's your boy SRTG Brazy. Make sure y'all boys speaking and working. Like, comment, subscribe. And we out. God.
Gotta write what I feel, gotta grind for that meal. My jeweler got me ice, feel the chills. When you poppin' in here,